Hello again today, here is Andrew with you guys. Today I'll be drawing a page from issue 1 of Bolt, Comic Bolt. Right now it's in Kickstarter, written by my friend Johnny Tsunami. My art, as you can see, and the letterer is Francisco Zamora. I didn't record myself while drawing the first panel here, so I'll be starting from the second one to the end of the page. How to draw a comic page. It's a quick process I'm going with now. I will be in more detail in the future, but about this page here, as you can see, I already started with the layouts. After that, I use penciling, then start adjusting the poses and the anatomy, rendering, as you can see, to reach the final penciling page. How can you do a comic page in 6 steps? Well, first you read the script. Read the script carefully. Read it once, twice, third, study it like you're a student or something, because it's gonna help you to develop what's coming to your mind, what's going to happen in the next panel, how you can adjust the page flow, how you can pick which pose is going to be the best for the scene, where's the action areas in the page, because the reader look at the page with the full final page, doesn't only seem like this. He looks at the 2 pages, the left one and the right one together, so you have to know the final look to both pages. So here's the first one, read the script. Second one, layouts. Layout is the most important part. Actually, it takes a long time from me to make layouts, more than the penciling or the rendering, to know how the messages are going to move, how the page flow is going, which way the panel is more easier and fine to look at. The third one, collect reference. In some cases, other artists use action figures, toys, or use realistic photos to make art, make adjusting to the panels like this way. Others just look at anime or cartoons. I don't want you to do this. You have to, in order to be an artist, you have to have your own reference, either action figures, your own pictures you're taking, or reference from Google, any other reference you find on the web, on the internet. The fourth one, studying the page flow. You must know where are you going to start and where you are going to end. Fifth tip, drawing and starting to add detail. As you can see, I already started with the 4 steps, and now I'm the 5th one. I'm adding detail while I'm drawing. Cyber Ninja here, designed on the previous page. I didn't record that, so I'm recording this now. The 6th step, rendering. This is a complicated tip here, so you will have to consider a couple of things. The line weight, add more detail, texture, anatomy corrections, and final refinements. Sometimes you'll have, when you are going to show it to the writer or the editor, he's going to make some corrections, or no, I want this here, I didn't want this written here, or whatever it's going to happen. So you'll have to know what you are going to do as those refinements. So the scripts for the page, as you can see here, I'm working on. It's panel 3 panel 2 jacks are coming through to the Cyber Ninja from the back. I didn't read the scripts here right, so I made up my mind with this one. So we won't see this in the final image look. So consider this removed. So I will start from panel 3. Panel 3, the jacks explode at his feet, blasting him back to a flip, but he lands in a defensive stance. That's the one I'm working on now. And still unsure, the ninja where he is looking for his attacker, as a hero here jumps and descends on his head. And the hero swings, landing on the ninja head and shoulders, then flipping off towards another guys that will be in the scene here. So after I'm doing here the Cyber Ninja, I'm considering a couple of things here. Considering the mass going down, and the land is standing on. There's going to be, I'm considering, is it going to be a background, couple of buildings here, or just an effect like an anime or a manga going speed lines going from up to down, or just like that. I didn't draw the background, so I am thinking about this. I didn't do this in the second panel here, as you can see in the upper half of the page. I drawn a couple buildings in the backgrounds because I will use them and while drawing and inking. And I'm moving now to the final one where the hero descends and put all his weight on the Cyber Ninja head and shoulders with his arm and leg. So you will have to understand layouts, penciling, poses, effects, storytelling, limbs, hands and feet, and consider the page flow. So let's make the 6 tips together. Read the script, layouts, collect reference, study the page, drawing and adding detail, rendering. All those are going to help you with final results of your comic page to look like a professional one, like the ones you can see at the major comic companies and the indie industry. The Cyber Ninja. When I designed the Cyber Ninja before, I was looking at a couple of concepts from the games like Gears 4 or some military games. I wanted to make the ninja look like more wealthy stuff. It's hired by a company or something like that, so we have to have this thing. So drawing the knee now, size, shoe. You have to draw a lot of gesture drawing. Do a lot of more gesture drawings to be more better artists than you are already. Don't let anyone put you down. A lot's going to happen. What's going to put you down? What's going to make you feel worse? Don't give anything, any effort or any energy trying to prove them wrong or something like that. Just work on yourself to be better. And don't care about this anymore. So, I'm glad, guys, that I have recorded this drawing. So I'll be doing more pages in details in the future. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you got any more questions about comics or art, please post them in the comment section or send me on the links at the description. Thanks.